Growing up in Brooklyn, one of 5 brothers, people would always say that we had our own basketball team, but I always loved baseball. It's a game that breeds optimism and inspires hope, something that I want everyone who walks through my doors to feel when they become one of my clients. I really get to share the love of baseball with my own 3 sons now, and I hope that the game inspires them to do something that they wish and choose to do with their lives. For me, there's nothing better than feeling that I make a difference in someone's life. I started my career working for the City of New York, representing all of its agencies. Since I opened the O'Connor Law Firm in 2006, I have represented many city workers, including police officers, sanitation workers, and school teachers. New York City is one of the greatest cities in the world. We've got everything, but it's really the people that make it unique. And it's my job to help those people.
At the time of the accident, I was a union electrician. I got to work that day early in the morning. We were doing a wire pull run. As we were pulling it, the wire got locked up inside the electrical tube. I went up on the ladder to free up the wire, and when I pulled on it, the drag line, it snapped. And I fell off the ladder. I got injured bad. I broke my back and my ribs I broke. I had neck surgery. I was in excruciating pain. It's the worst pain I've ever had in my life. I made an appointment with Mr. O'Connor, and we just hit it off in the beginning. He was very professional. Everything he told me he was going to do for me, he did. He treated me with respect. He stood with me through the whole thing, through the 4-year process. It was a long time, and he was there all the time. Every time I called him, he always answered his phone. Just no games with him whatsoever. I never met an attorney like him in my life, ever. He was just so awesome.
I was doing sanitation work and worked for the city of New York, truck driving. When I tried to get up to the truck, then put my foot in the guardrail, I slipped and then I fell. So I was thinking I would be off the job, and I love to work, and I couldn't afford it. And I like to create. So after that accident, no more. When I had Mr. O'Connor, my life started. He gave me a lot of support. He helped me a lot, mentally also, because my life changed. And he became like a friend, as a brother, because besides his job, he's a very good, nice person. All the time, my job, sanitation department, we injure all the time, because that's a very dangerous job. I keep recommending him, because with him, it's the best.
The O'Connor Law Firm represents injured New Yorkers and provides individualized attention to each of our clients, and aggressively pursues each of our cases. I have 3 kids of my own. Not being able to provide for them would cause great anxiety and stress. I understand. When a client is seriously injured, I try and take the burden of the legal process away from them so they can focus on their family and back to recovery. Our promise to our clients is to make sure they're not alone. We will always be in their corner with respect, compassion, and understanding. I want each client to know from day one that they're family, and that we're never going to give up until we've provided them with the greatest possible outcome of their case.